We can go right in.
It's very narrow.
It is.
Isn't it?
That to be because it, like the thing said, it goes twice the speed of a bullet. As we get coffee,
Wow, all those switches.
coffee maker.
On arrival, passengers will be escorted to their seats and have coats and bags taken to wardrobes on board. Once seated, hot towels and soft drinks were handed out. Passengers' food and drink orders taken. Cabin crew would welcome guests as follows.
This bit's a bit
It's a pleasure to welcome you on board.
this bit's a
British
bit
Airways Concorde,
bit more bigger.
the world's only supersonic passenger aircraft. We'll soon be leaving for New York, and our cruising speed will be more than twice the speed of sound at 1,340 miles per hour. We will reach an altitude of approximately 58,000 feet. Display screens giving flight information are at the front of each cabin. After takeoff, 2 rounds of drinks and canapes were served to passengers. There was a choice of mixed drinks, including martinis, Bucks Fizz, and Old Fashions, a selection of wine, and soft drinks. After this, the main meal would be served, alongside champagne, wine, and water. Menus varied, but the food was always the highest quality. A typical menu would offer a choice of starters and main courses, followed by dessert and a cheese board. Once this was finished, coffee, tea, and chocolates were served, while passengers browsed the duty-free magazine. While the final cups were cleared, passengers were given a complimentary gift to remind them of their flight. This could be Concorde stationery, luggage tags, or travel toiletries. By this time, Concorde would be descending into New York. Step aboard the Concorde Alpha Foxtrot, but watch your head. The passenger cabin of Concorde is surprisingly small and cramped, considering a one-way ticket could be as much as 4,000.
Even let you look in the toilets. Oh, it's not much room.
We have some toilets up the other end.
Fully taken off the door of this one. Bigger, very modern fan for Concorde. Oh, it's like a coat rack.